welcome back to my channel. Can you guess, well, I mean, I guess you know by the title, but what kind of makeup look we're doing today? I am celebrating St. Patrick's Day with you guys and creating just a really fun look. I mean, to me, St. Patrick's Day is a lot of gold and greens, so I just really wanted to have fun with it, and I think the end result was quite good. If you guys want to see how I create this look, then just definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm going to start out with the Mario Badescu face spray, just to spray all over my face to give it a little bit more moisture. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my eyes off so that I can get those nice sharp like eyeshadow lines. So that's what I'm going to do now. Go ahead and start with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to put this white shade here all over my lids just to kind of lay down a base color. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same palette and I'm going to take this like goldish shade here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And then before we get too deep into this, I'm going to tightline my eyes because for me this is really, really hard. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so next I'm still in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this kind of matte green shade right here, and I'm going to work that a little bit further into my crease and my outer V. Okay, so I think that looks good. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of this kind of like baby puke color, and I'm going to use that to blend the green and the gold together. Okay guys, so next I'm going to take some of this Gotcha Covered Concealer, and I am going to just put that a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to start carving out where I want to put my main color. Take the main color for the eye. We're going to take Mullet from the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, and I'm going to use a packing brush and just pack that onto where we put the concealer. Some of the green has transferred, but that is okay. Okay you guys, so basically I just applied it until I was happy with the blending and the pigmentation, and now we're going to go in with the second star of the eye, and this is Twisted in the Heavy Metals palette, and I'm going to go in with some more concealer just on the inner corner, and I'm going to pack that in just so we have a really bright gold inner corner. A lot of mixing and matching. Now I'm going to take the Make Believe in Yourself palette, and I'm going to take Marble. It's a really pretty, like really pale shimmery green, and I'm going to use that to kind of blend the gold and the green together. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna stop and take a break on the eyes for now. I think they're looking pretty good so far, and we're gonna go ahead and start doing the base makeup. I'll show you what I'm using along the way, and I'll put like little speech bubbles so you'll know what I'm using. But basically I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup routine. I'm trying out the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation again because I've had this for a while. I think it's gonna be too pale for me for some odd reason. It's been so rainy here and cold, I don't know why, but I'm gonna give it a try. So we're gonna do that now. So base makeup is almost done. I need to contour and do blush and highlight, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes first. And I'm gonna go back into the Heavy Metals palette, and I'm going to use the green to connect down below about halfway, and then I'm gonna go in with the gold and just connect the bottom just so that the eyes are completely circled with the eyeshadows. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I always just use a black eyeliner or eyeshadow for my eyeliner. Me and other eyeliners do not get along. I am still working on testing them out. So if you have some recommendations, let me know down in the comments as always, because we are just not best friends. But I'm going to use this black shadow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It works wonderfully, and do my eyeliner. See it that much, but I think it adds a nice subtle definition. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes with some mascara. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Great Lash. This has become one of my new favorites. I used this back in high school, so I've fallen back in love with it. I mentioned it in a recent favorite, so if I can remember which one it's in, I will link it up above for you. Okay, so I'm going to let my lashes dry a little bit. Then I'm going to comb them out, curl them, and reapply the mascara, just because I want them very, very dramatic. So next, we're going to contour, highlight, and do some blush. And I will show you what I'm using along the way. So I want to take this look to another level. So I have these NYX Glitter Brilliants. They're so cute. And I'm going to apply those to a few different places around my face, just to kind of add some fun to this look. So we're just going to take a fluffy brush. I definitely recommend, if you're going to put these on your eyes though, to get some glue. So I'm going to put them throughout my eyebrows, probably some on my temples, and just maybe define where I highlighted. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to do another coat of mascara, and then I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to now set everything with the Max Prep and Prime. It's just a little trial version. I've absolutely been loving it though. So we're going to do that. Then I'm going to go change up my top and fix up my hair. And I will see you guys very soon. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I think this has to be one of my all-time favorite makeup tutorials so far. This was so much fun and there's so much glitter. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys try and recreate this look. Keep in mind, you don't have to use the same products I did, although I will leave a list of them down in the description box for you if you do want to go and find them to try and recreate this. But you can always use your own. Any green shadows or golds will just do the trick. I had so much fun filming this. I hope you guys have an amazing St. Patrick's Day. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also remember to go hit that subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed already. And as long as you're down there, also hit the bell if you want to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to always keep blushing forward. Bye!